dog is somewhere in the fog. He's always there to fight me. To fight me. Well, little colder, of course, older. I smile into the light because of what you said. What you said. Have you found my dog? Did you look into the fog? Well, I know you twist my head. That's funny. When it's time to go, I'm gonna miss it so. Like cold old doggy. I hope he comes back soon. Used to bark at the moon when it was foggy. Foggy. Take it away, Mike. Now I'm lying on my bed, completely dead, because of us. And the cold old dog, guess he smelled my fear. It all makes sense now. It all makes sense now.